So I'm trying to decide where to put this power port on the tractor because I melted all the other wires with the muffler. Didn't really work out that well. So we've got new fuse connections, 2 power ports, and this runs all the lights and power on top of the tractor, as well as the fan which moves the heat around, and then the powered control for the chute control flap, and the chute twist control cables just broke as well. So we have all kinds of stuff to fix on the 445. And finished dashboard though. Everything works as it should. All the switches, independent lights, interior lights. Still need to get some roof insulation up. Control for the flap. Plus a brand new actuator that I probably didn't need because we had a ground fault short because the previous wire was passed through this gap right here that controlled all the power, and it shorted out when this pinched and cut the insulation on the wire. Oh, so all in all, we need a port for power to the flap, and we need another port for the trickle charger, and we need a third power for all of the power that goes up to the roof and runs the fan and all the stuff that comes out of that dashboard that I built. We will continue.